Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sunday Savings. This particular video is going to be about the couponing don'ts, the things that you do not want to do while couponing. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. While coupons can help you save money, coupons can also work against you if you are not careful. So I'm going to talk about some of the situations that you want to avoid while couponing. Situation number one is do not assume. Do not think that the coupon is going to give you the best possible price on a particular item. The best thing to do is to compare prices. I know some of you all may be asking me, how am I going to compare prices? I don't have the time to go from store to store. But you can use a device that you carry at all times, which is your phone. You can go right in, go on the Google search, type in the item, and at the top of the bar, you're going to have that same item come up where different retailers have at a particular price. So that's pretty much where you want to start. Do not assume that the coupon is going to give you the lowest possible price without checking to see if the price is better at other retailers. Which leads me to the second situation you do not want to fall into with couponing. Not checking for items that are on sale. Look for items that are on sale and then see if you have a coupon to stack it with to maximize those savings, because at the end you want to maximize those coins in your pocket. Just because the item has a coupon for it and it's not on sale, it may not be the good time to buy it, because like I stated before in a previous video, coupons are pretty much circular. They will circle back around. The items will circle back around where you're able to get those rock bottom prices to maximize those coins in your pocket. Which leads me to situation number three. Do not buy unnecessary items unless you're going to get pretty much the item for free, and it's going to cause that price to go down on the other items that you need. So if you're not going to get practically the item for free because you're couponing, please do not coupon just because you have a coupon for it. So if you do not eat, let's say, pasta, and they have a sale on pasta, please do not coupon on pasta unless they're going to give you the pasta practically for free, which in turn can lower that price for the other items that you have in your cart that you're couponing on. And also, on another note, you do not want to make sure that the coupon is not luring you to buy things that you don't need, because I've been there when I first started couponing. I would just get it because the coupon was there for it, and I really did not need it, so it ended up being a waste. Again, you want to make sure whatever you're couponing, you're able to use the product up. Which leads me to situation number four, not scanning the store. What do you mean not scanning the store? Every store that I go into, I try to make my full way around the store, because there are hidden blessings in most cases that they're not going to have right there in front of you. You're going to have to hunt and find them. So for example, you all know my favorite store, Walgreens. It's gotten to the point when I go in, I have a systematical approach. When I go in, I already know the cosmetics. In most cases, it's going to be along the wall as soon as I walk through the door. So I start there, walk my way all the way around, and just look at nothing but particular orange tag. The orange tag sticks out. I look at the retail price and what they're currently having it at the clearance price. If it is at that rock bottom price and I happen to have a coupon to match it, that's going to allow me to get it for a little to next to nothing, then I'm snatching it right off the shelf. So invest that time, use that time to scan the stores, look for those items and see if you have coupons that match those particular items. Which leads me to my last and final point. The last thing you don't want to do with couponing is not taking the time. I feel your time will cost you more if you do not prepare. The couponing requires time. If you're not willing to invest the time, you're going to pay for it later. So if you're going off to the store, let's say you're going to Publix, get your shopping list together, go through your cupboards, see what you need. See what Publix has on sale that particular week. See what coupons Publix has to offer. See what manufacturer coupons that Publix also will take on top of any Publix coupons that they have during that particular time. Then that's how you walk out with the maximum savings, which in turn maximizes those coins in your pocket. Thank you all for watching this episode of Sunday Savings. I pray that these videos that I've been giving you have been insightful, informative, impactful, and intentional as about maximizing the coins in your pocket. Until next time, you all be blessed and be glamorous.